Dear Brian, I had a really bad current week. Not only were a few days unbearably hot for me, but no air conditioning. So I will not be going out as the temperature exceeds 25 Celsius. If there's something you want me to do regarding taping, it will have to be done in my apartment and on Sunday or later, if it is over 25 degrees Celsius. Regards, Dad. There you go, nice cold ice.
It's hot in here, Dad.
Well, I know, because I got the no air conditioning, that's why I'm using the fucking ice.
You want to sit? Here.
Yes, please. I wonder where a good place is. I don't want to open the fridge because that starts getting everything hot in the fridge, so I just want to, I guess I could just sit here. Okay. Now how am I going to do this? Oh! Shit. That's what I need to do. Cut my nipple off.
What's that? Anything?
That feels bloody good. That feels real bloody good. That feels really good.
There you go, AC.
Yeah, no
AC
kidding.
installed.
Yes. And a lot cheaper too. Well, thank you very much, Brian.
No problem.
Thanks a lot.
I'll see you, Dad.
Yeah, yeah. I'm always here. You're always welcome.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay, thanks, Brian.
Take it easy.
Take care of yourself, eh? Nice guy.